Does not take a very long time at all. We did our wig base in 5 minutes or less. You can really lay this hair down in 5 minutes or less as well. The longest time you take is actually waiting for it to dry. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 20,000 of us over here. Today I'm coming to show you how we laid this curly bob with blonde highlights. It's literally the perfect summer wig. Plus we pulled the lazy girl method and we installed without any braids. No cornrows needed, no flat twist needed. Go ahead and keep on watching. This is for all my girls who don't yet know how to cornrow, don't yet know how to braid. I got a cheat code for you. So I have my natural hair, and this is really how we're going to style it. It's going to be in 2 pigtails, but the purpose of these pigtails is to make my hair as flat as possible. So we're basically doing 2 slick ponytails and then braiding my hair up in the back, okay? I got some water. And I'm gonna go ahead and start slicking my hair down. Now, I already have product in my hair from this being an older hairstyle for me. But let's say you don't have product yet in your head and you need something to help you get that slick look. Go ahead and use your favorite gel, Gorilla Snot, not Gorilla Glue. And I like this gel because it's nice and sticky. This is also what I use to actually adhere my wigs. So I'm going to use this to slick down my hair. And as you can see, our hair is pretty slick. So once you've gotten your hair as slick as possible, all you're gonna do is plait it in the back. Now don't worry if you lose a little bit of that tight grip on your hair while you're braiding, because there's a way that we can fix it on the back end, okay? That's all we did, y'all, is literally just put our hair in a pigtail. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up this other side, and then we're almost done with creating our lazy girl wig base. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is take your 2 pigtails and just cross them in the back like this and bobby pin them into place. And this is it, y'all. This is our wig base. Again, I promise you it's going to be flat enough to go underneath your wig cap, to go underneath your wig, however you want to do it. So go ahead and try this out. Let me know how this works for you in the comment section below. Do you have any cheat codes on how you cheat your wig base so you don't have to do 5011 cornrows? Let me know, okay? So now let's move forward to our actual wig application. If you have not already seen from earlier clips, this is the unit that we are currently working with. Now, she is currently dirty because I don't worn her out, okay? If you watch my Bahamas vlog, you'll see that this is the unit that I chose to wear. Good job. I would say this is like a chestnut brown color that it's giving with some very nice blonde highlights in the front. I purchased this unit with my own money from a fellow YouTuber on here. Her name is Sharon Renee. She has an entire store featuring wigs, clip-ins, jewelry, the whole 9, y'all. The cap construction, we have like a 1x4, I want to say. The knots are not bleached, but that is a-okay. We have 2 clips, like clip-in clips on the side. You have an elastic band. You have a comb in the back. And then of course you have your adjustable straps in the back. I have been wearing this unit with a wig cap, but let's try without a wig cap today, just in case you want to go as simple as humanly possible. Let's go ahead and put on this wig. So elastic band first. I do go ahead and use the combs in the unit, so I went ahead and inserted that comb that's in the back. And now we're going to use the combs that are in the front, just to make sure we don't have a whole lot of movement going on. Let's go ahead and wet this hair down because water is curly hair's best friend, and then we can go ahead and get into styling. Okay, y'all, so we've completely wet this unit down, and this is what the texture is looking like. It's very, very pretty. I'm only going to use one product in this hair, and it is going to be a mousse. I think that curly hair and mousse go hand in hand. This one is specifically from Mayel, their pomegranate and honey line. This is their curl defining mousse. So I'm going to go in with a liberal amount of mousse and literally rake that all throughout this hair. Taking our Denman brush, and we're gonna do a thorough detangle, which should really get these curls clumping and popping. All right, y'all, so this is the hair style. This is a summer friendly unit, which means you can go swimming in this, go to the pool, to the beach, whatever water activities. You don't need to tack it down to your hair. But if you are wearing this hair to like an event or something and you do want a little bit more blendability here in the part area, I'm gonna show you what you can do. Okay, so let's let this hair dry for a little bit longer, and when we come back I can show you how to blend this lace a little better so that it's giving seamless. Okay, y'all, we're back. Our hair is pretty much dry, and now we're gonna work on actually tacking this wig down. So right now, of course, it is completely glueless. So I'm gonna take that exact same gel that I was using earlier. This is the Gorilla Snot, and I actually use this as like a glue basically. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the end of my edge brush, and what I'm gonna do is lift my lace up, lift my wig up, and apply the gel directly onto my skin where I want the wig to go. Once I've done that, I go ahead and apply just a little bit of gel on the top. For good measure, I can give myself a little swoop of the baby hairs right there to cover up that lace. And for extra precautions or an extra step, baby, we going old school. I use my Pump It Up spritz, and I use this as like an extra layer of protection. I'm gonna do a very, very slight spritz. So I'm gonna sit and let this dry for a few minutes, and when we come back, I'll show you the final look. We're gonna go ahead and take off our scarf. You can see that our wig is nice and flat, even though we did not even do braids. Does not take a very long time at all. We did our wig base in 5 minutes or less. You can really lay this hair down in 5 minutes or less as well. The longest time you take is actually waiting for it to dry. Let me know, do you have a go-to summer unit? Is it like a curly bob? I feel like, I don't know. Summer, when I think of summer, I think of curly hair, y'all. And I definitely think of a bob because you know, you typically don't want all the long hair on your neck, on your body, especially when you sweating, when you hot. So let me know if you have a curly bob that you go to in the summer as well. This is most definitely going to be mine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.